In the past few weeks, Credit Suisse, one of the banks in Europe, has been under a lot of pressure, and the credit default swap, which is basically a protection against the bonds, has been inching upward, meaning there's a huge probability that this bank is not going to be able to pay its loan or pay its debt. So is it a big deal? Is another 2008 happening right now? Let's unpack. Credit default swaps are ticking up, but that doesn't necessarily mean a bank is going bankrupt or there is a systematic risk. Credit default swaps should sometimes tick up because there's a chance that a bank might miss a payment. That counts as a default, and people are speculating. A lot of people are speculating, and the more people that buy the insurance, the wider and wider that spread gets. So is there a systematic risk? Not really. Does Credit Suisse have some problems in their business? Absolutely. They probably need to go through business restructuring. Is it a stock that you should own? Not really.